Top 5 Best Home Security Systems. Both the need for home security and the technology behind it have advanced a lot in recent times. These days, we no longer have the need for moats filled with crocodiles. Now, we can rely on cameras and sensors tinier than the tip of a pencil. But upon all these fancy gadgets, which is the best for you? In this video, we discuss the top 5 best home security systems. Before we dive into this video on the top 5 best home security systems, please make sure to like and subscribe. This way, you can find the best information on tech gadgets worth spending money on. Also, make sure to check the links in the description to find out more about these products. 5. eufyCam 2C Pro 2Cam Kit. $350 might seem like a steep price for the eufyCam home security system, right up until you consider that it's a one-off fee and you won't have to join any monthly subscription. It has a battery life that lasts for 6 whole months, is IP67 certified, and comes with two 2K night vision cameras. It may seem like a small device, but it really does a whole lot. It also comes with software that can pinpoint human shapes without confusing them with other things like dogs or cats. It's a really great device. 4. Ring Alarm 5-Piece Kit. A great advantage of the Ring Alarm 5-Piece Kit is that it is compatible with the Alexa home entertainment system from Amazon. And so, this way, you can coordinate multiple smart devices in your house from a single nexus. This is what makes it an awesome home security system. Alexa aside, you can link it to your phone so as to be receiving notifications on security updates. At $150, another underrated perk is its tiny size. It truly isn't invasive, and you can detach the keypad, contact sensor, motion detector, or range extender from the base station if you so please. 3. Arlo Pro Pre-Spotlight Camera. With a price tag of $650, the Arlo Pro 3 is one of the most expensive home security systems on this list. While not everyone may be willing to open up their wallets for it, it does have a lot going on for it. It's heavy on the cameras, coming with 3 wireless, 2K HDR night vision lenses. Sensory coverage is also enhanced, as each camera comes with 2-way audio and a 160-degree view. If you're a homeowner that doesn't care for any fancy gadgets and just wants the best camera system money can buy, then you need to pick this up. 2. SimpliSafe 9-Piece Wireless Home Security System. At first glance, the SimpliSafe system might seem complicated and overwhelming. However, even though it's a 9-piece system, many of the pieces are repeated so as to enhance coverage. For $300, you get a base station with a 95 dB siren, a keypad, 4 entry sensors to guard your doorways and windows, 2 motion sensors to offer an extra layer of security, and a SimpliCam to keep a watchful eye over your home. Also, if you desire, you can subscribe for professional interactive monitoring. This way, SimpliSafe operatives can send emergency services to your home just in case there's something going on and you can't. Isn't that neat? Hope you've been enjoying the video so far. In moments, we will reveal the best home security system to keep you safe. Stick around to find out what it is. 1. REOLINK 4K Security Camera System. Priced at $650, the REOLINK 4K Security Camera System is for people who truly aren't messing around. Although its 4K cameras are wired, this only increases their capabilities as they can record in 1080p for 24 hours into a 2 TB hard drive. The resolution is so vivid that you can zoom in on details with very minor distortion. Although most other camera systems in this video come with sensors for identifying human figures, the sensors equipped with the REOLINK 4K can identify vehicles too. Also, it comes with a plug-and-play system, and so even if you aren't tech-savvy, you can get it up and running with no problem at all. So, there you have it. We hope you've learned much about the top 5 best home security systems. Home security isn't something you can afford to take lightly these days. With these brilliant systems we have listed, you can ensure your safety while not feeling like your freedoms are restricted. Isn't that cool? In any case, to learn more, please check out our other videos on the top 7 amazing PS5 headsets in 2022 and the top 5 best gaming headsets. The advice from these videos will ensure that you're always using the highest quality gadgets that offer supreme value for money. Well, that's all for today. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share if you enjoyed the video. This way, you will easily be able to find the absolute best advice for technological purchases. Until next time, have a great day. Catch you later.